Spocket AliExpress Product Integration Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this review of Spocket and AliExpress product integration. Links to the tools and resources mentioned are provided in the description below for easy access. Let's get right into it. Spocket and AliExpress are two popular platforms for dropshipping, and integrating them can give your business a competitive edge. Spocket focuses on high-quality products from suppliers in the US and Europe, offering features like fast shipping, branded invoicing, and easy integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. On the other hand, AliExpress is known for its massive product variety and low prices, ideal for dropshippers targeting a global audience. Integrating these platforms through tools like Oberlo, Deezers, or Dropified allows you to combine the best of both worlds. You can import products from both Spocket and AliExpress into your store, manage inventory seamlessly, and automate order fulfillment. These tools also offer advanced filtering options, allowing you to prioritize fast shipping products, popular items, or specific niches based on your target audience. Who is this integration best suited for? This approach is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to diversify their product catalog while maintaining flexibility in pricing and supplier selection. Spocket caters to those focusing on quality, branded experiences, and faster delivery in regions like the US and Europe, while AliExpress supports businesses looking to experiment with a wide variety of budget-friendly items across multiple niches. Now, the strengths. By integrating Spocket and AliExpress, you can target multiple customer segments with different priorities: those who value fast delivery and quality, and those who prioritize affordability and variety. This flexibility allows you to test and scale your business more effectively. However, there are weaknesses to consider. Spocket's premium plans can be expensive, especially if you're just starting. AliExpress, while affordable, often has long shipping times and inconsistent quality. Managing both platforms can also increase the complexity of your operations, requiring attention to detail to ensure smooth workflows. In conclusion, integrating Spocket and AliExpress is a smart strategy for dropshippers aiming to balance quality, variety, and cost. With the right tools and approach, you can offer your customers a unique shopping experience. Check the description for recommended integrations and get started today.